Hi there. Thanks for letting me know about the audio service not responding. I understand how frustrating it can be to experience sound issues on your device. There could be a couple of reasons why this might be happening, and we can try two things to get your audio back up and running. 1. Permissions check. Sometimes the audio service might not have the necessary permissions to function properly with your current user account. We can adjust these permissions if you would like. Important note: modify the registry can affect system stability if done incorrectly. So, create a restore point before proceeding because we are editing some registry files as well. So, for a restore point, you can just click on the Windows search icon and then search here for restore point. Once you are here, you need to make sure to turn on the protection first. For that, select or choose any drive where you want to, restore Fucasia. So click on the configuration and then turn on system protection and then hit apply. And then OK. Your protection option will be on, and now you can create a restore point in the same drive where you have turned on the protection. Now click on the Create. You can type here the any name, and then click on the Create. The Restore bio was created successful, that's good. Now type here the registry editor. Okay, now that's the destination. We are working on. But before starting any process, let me show you that my current setting. So my audio is working fine. But now we are modify few settings over here on this destination. So what you need to do here: go into the computer, then HKI local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then current version, then devices folder. Once you get the devices folder, just right-click on it, go into the permissions, and then go into the advanced settings. Now here you can see the owner is Audio SRV, which means the audio services. We will change here if it's not working for you. Click on the Change Use here. These administrators and then click on. Check once it is done. Click on OK. Now replace all the subcontainers and objects, hit Apply. And click on OK. Now once again, permissions. Now you can edit the permissions over here. You can see easily you can edit these permissions. But what we are going to do here: first of all, you need to select here all the permissions like this for all users and then hit Apply. Okay, that's it. Only these things you need to do here. All right, guys. Now in the step number 2, what we are going to do here: click on the Windows icon, again, Services, open the services, and then select any service, press WBU until you will get here. The Windows audio service over here, just double tap on it. Go into the logon, and then what you need to do here: click on the Browse, and then again Advanced Options, and then click on Find. Now here you have a list of your permissions. Let me expand it a bit. Now the first one is Administrator. The second one is the email that I'm using with my operating system, then Default Account, then Guest and Local, then Ever Service, then a lot of others. Okay, now we will select here the account or email that you are currently using if it's not working. Then go with the default. If still is not working, then reset it on Local Services and then click on OK, and then click on OK once again. Now here you need to put the Windows password. If you don't use Windows password with your account, then you need to just leave it empty. In my case, I'm using password, so put here the same password and then click on Apply. and that's it. Once you have done this, click on OK, and then click on the restart. That's it, guys. After you starting your audio services, you need to restore your PC as well. And I hope this information's help. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.